Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Red Zone Watch, and the title of the video is entitled "Girlfriend Meets Karma After Harassing Hospital Staff and Refusing to Leave." That is a long title, y'all. Come on, Red Zone, y'all gotta get y'all stuff together because that title is long as heck, man. All right, let's get into the video, man.
This is my boyfriend. I can do whatever I want to do.
No, you can't.
I can.
No, you can't.
You can't.
You can't.
I can. You can stop fucking looking at me like that.
I can do whatever I want.
Okay, me
You're
too.
in custody.
Me too.
Have a seat.
And touch me like
Have
that.
a seat. Sit down.
How am I supposed to get in the car if you pushing me? Stop pushing me. Let him do it. This is his car. Let him do it.
Doesn't matter.
Let him do it.
On May 30th, 2024, officers were dispatched to the local hospital for a case of trespass. Apparently, a couple was harassing hospital staff and refusing to leave after being asked multiple times to do so. When officers arrive, it doesn't take long to find the couple and confront them.
So they're going to be trespassed out of the property? Is that what's going on? Okay, so what's going on?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. Well, you guys are being trespassed from this property, is that correct?
Yeah.
Alright, so you guys are not allowed to be back here. You guys do come back here, you guys will be arrested.
Alright.
Is that understood?
Why y'all put me in this? Why y'all even say me? Y'all ain't see me do nothing.
You didn't do anything.
I'm being told by them they're right for their hospital.
You want to watch out. Watch out. Get up. Just go. What are you doing?
So I just trespassed them. So they're not allowed at this property.
Don't say y'all. Don't come over here and talk about you, y'all.
Yeah, it's her being the instigator. I could tell because he trying to get up right now and she's like putting more force down so he can't get up. It's her. She's the problem for sure.
She said both of you are trespassed, so you're both trespassed. That's how that works.
You're not gonna come to me on try to give me trespassing or none of that. I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay, well they're saying that you're trespassing. They can choose to trespass you. That's how that works. They can choose to do that.
Man, get up so I can go. They not finna trespass nothing. Watch out. Yeah, twinking. Talking about y'all. Boy, watch out.
Hey.
Yeah, he mad at her.
You got their ass coming up here talking to me. I don't like talking to you.
I don't care. You don't have to talk to me.
Stop.
They can go about their fucking day. Y'all don't have to be here. Y'all can get the fuck on. What are you talking about? We sitting here waiting on our ride.
Waiting on the ride. Y'all talking about trespassing because she in here yelling. Y'all, what the fuck is y'all? Watch out, bro. You got me talk. I don't like talking to him.
You're not fucking talking to them.
I'm gonna have to.
You know you're not. What you gonna have to talk to them for?
Why are you yelling at
What
me?
you gonna have to talk to them for? Because ain't you yelling at me?
Because you tweaking.
I don't give a f.
This is all your fault for nothing. For
I don't
nothing.
give a f. There's a reason behind everything I do, and you personally know that. So shut the f up talking to me.
Why is
for
you
real.
grabbing me?
Because I can. Then they dumb still sitting right there. Y'all sit right here.
Embarrassing.
I don't care. You think I care?
You come here every day.
You think I care?
You can't even come here no more.
I don't give a f. I got hospitals I can go to.
Yeah.
This hospital don't even do it. I don't care.
Call your mom. Tell her to come get you so you could go.
Yeah.
You steady tweaking with them, making it look.
How am I tweaking with them? I'm not
You
even
yelling.
Hey,
Yelling.
I'm not talking
let
to
him
them.
go.
Don't say shit to me.
No, I'm going to say.
We're gonna say something. Let him go right now, or you're gonna get arrested right now.
my
I don't care.
boyfriend.
It doesn't matter.
Let
This is my
him go.
boyfriend.
Forcing the
Let
action.
him go.
It ain't
my
You
boyfriend.
will
y'all
get
ain't even gotta
arrested.
do that.
Right, he just said y'all don't have to do that. He cool with me
It
touching
doesn't
him.
matter. I'm
He's cool
witnessing
with me
it. I
touching
don't
him.
care.
He's cool with me
He's
touching him.
asked you not to. Not cool with
I
it.
don't care.
It doesn't matter.
I don't care.
It doesn't matter.
I don't care.
It doesn't matter
I don't
what you're
care.
cool with.
Come on.
It's
I
what
don't
the state
care.
of Illinois says you're cool
I don't
with.
care.
Y'all, I'm not finna do this.
What are you talking about?
Yep.
This is my boyfriend. I can do whatever I want to do.
No, you
can't.
I can.
No, you can't.
You can't.
I can.
You can't.
I can. No, I'm not letting you go.
Okay, then you're under arrest for domestic battery.
No, he just
told you to
no,
go.
he just said-
No,
he
it's not
told me
like
to let
that.
go.
No.
He has told you to let him go. You are under arrest.
You're under
Stop
arrest.
resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop.
You are under arrest.
I'm pregnant. Can you be
Then
cool?
let go
Can
and
you be
stop
cool? Okay,
resisting.
Y'all don't
let me
gotta
go.
arrest
and-
Stop
let
resisting.
me
No.
go.
Nope.
Let me go. I will let him
I
go if
didn't
you
tell y'all.
Let him go.
I didn't tell y'all to arrest him.
You don't have to.
And I'm not saying don't touch. Let me go like that. Like it's aggressive.
Let go of him.
If you let
Nope.
go of my arm,
Let
I will
go.
let him go.
Let go of
Let
him.
go of my
Y'all
arm
doing
and I
You
will
are
let
under
him go.
arrest.
Come on, man.
Stop
Y'all pulling
resisting.
me. You pulling me.
I'm not touching you. She is. Put your hands behind your back.
I will if you let me go.
Man,
You are under arrest.
Babe, you cool?
Put your hands behind your back.
You cool, babe?
You are under arrest.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to touch
Y'all
you.
don't gotta do
Nope.
all that, bro.
Excuse me, sir.
Man.
The
Too
Asian
late.
one. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to grab whatever I just grabbed. I'm so sorry.
Nope. We're past that at this
Yep,
point.
we are
I
way
know, but I'm
past
just
that.
letting you know it was an accident. I didn't mean to grab whatever I just touched.
Too bad you're resisting, so it's caught in her sweatshirt.
Yeah.
You're
Can
up
I
way too
lift
high.
it up some? Can you lift my sweatshirt some?
We'll get it up.
There we go.
Okay.
Bro, y'all, this is unnecessary.
No,
I didn't
it's not
say y'all-
unnecessary.
I didn't.
You don't
I
have
didn't
to.
say she hit me. I didn't say none
Wait,
of that.
this
We're
I gotta
watching-
wait.
we're watching all
Okay,
this.
okay, but can you let this arm go? It got like they just I just
And you kept saying, let me go, let me
And they
go,
got a
let
big
me go.
old
It's not.
bump on
You
it.
know I'm
Domestic
demeaning
battery.
like that. That's not domestic battery.
That is
nothing.
domestic
That is
And I'm
domestic
not
battery.
pressing
It's not
charges, so
domestic
It doesn't
that's
battery.
matter.
It's
You don't have to.
not
It's all on
mad.
video.
You don't
It's
have
all
to yell
on
at me.
body
I'm
camera.
just-
You're
I
yelling
ain't-
at
Like
me.
what?
I did not yell at
It's
you.
all on.
Yeah. Her goofy ass. I told you, I knew she was the problem child. She gotta be the problem child. He don't want nothing to do with it. That's why he was sitting down like, yo, y'all trespassing. I didn't even do nothing. It's her. She's the problem. You know, but that's his girlfriend. Of course, he don't want to lock her up or whatever. But what he fails to understand is that it don't matter. You know what I'm saying? It really don't. You know what I mean? Because she's being a problem child. So they've been looking for a reason to get her up out of here anyway. So by that, you know, and he keeps saying, let go. Let me go. Like, let's stop. Just stop. So we could just leave. Like, she don't want to listen. You know what they say? A hard head makes a soft ass, boy. And that metal, that thin metal mattress or whatever, when you go down there and get booked in or whatever. Hey, that thing. Goofy. That's why you about to get locked up. That's why you locked up, Goofy.
Okay, I understand that, but he wasn't saying it like that because we were just arguing. Okay, but can I speak? Can I speak?
I didn't say shit.
Why are you yelling?
God, yo, steady yelling. I didn't say
down.
no, because
Calm
yo,
down.
he's
Calm
steady
down.
telling me I'm talking to him. I didn't tell him.
We're past this.
Wait,
Let's go.
We're past this. We're past this.
wait, what?
We're past this.
Well, you don't need to say shit to me. Babe,
Fellas love toxic women, man.
As of this point, the girlfriend is under arrest for domestic violence. As silly as it may seem, since the officers witnessed a situation where she refused to let go of him despite being asked to, they have no choice but to put her in custody.
Can you not? Is it cool? You can stop fucking looking at me like that.
I can do whatever I want.
Okay, me
You're
too.
in custody.
Me too.
Have a seat.
And touch me like
Have
that.
a seat. Sit down.
How am I supposed to get in the car if you pushing me? Stop pushing me. Let him do it. This is his car. Let him do it.
Doesn't matter.
Let him do it.
Come on.
Let him do it.
Sit down.
Can you speak to me?
Yes.
Because
sit
as
down.
long as he speaks to me, I'm gonna keep resisting.
Okay.
So can you just do your job and
Yes.
tell him to get away? Can you please have him
Not
get away?
leaving.
He's not gonna leave.
I understand that, but
Get
can
in
you
the
have
car.
him step back at least 10 steps, 5
No,
steps, 6
I'm
steps?
not leaving him.
Social
He's not.
distance.
Get in the car.
He's not leaving me.
Get in the car.
He's not leaving me. Just
Can you
because
tell him to
you've
stop
been-
talking to me?
No,
You've
I'm not
been-
going
I
to
will
He's been
listen to you.
resisting.
Okay,
Okay.
I understand that, but I will listen to you. I'm not gonna listen to him. Because he's
Okay.
gonna drive me insane.
Okay,
Okay?
then just talk to me. That's
Okay.
fine.
So tell him to stop saying stuff to me. He doesn't have to say anything
Just
to me. I will
okay,
listen to
then
you.
Just talk to me.
Okay?
Okay, but you're gonna have to take a seat.
Okay.
Please take
Can
a
I
seat.
stand?
Not yet. Okay. Turn around. for a second. I need to make sure that these aren't too tight. I don't want these to tighten up on you.
I'm good. It doesn't hurt or anything. I'm okay.
No, I know that, but if I don't double lock them, they will tighten up. And I don't want that to happen. Okay, please take a seat.
You could let me go. I'll sit down.
Okay, thank you. Put your feet in, please.
No, thank you. I think that's my mom. I'm gonna sit right here until she pulls up.
Okay.
No, we're going.
We're
He
leaving right
just
now.
said okay.
No, I said no.
He just said okay though.
And I'm saying no.
My mom is right there though. My mom is right there.
It doesn't matter. You're going to jail.
Okay, I don't give a f. Let my mom know what the f happening. Who?
Right now.
Talking about you just.
You're still on the phone with your mom?
No.
No, you hung up?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I can call her if I want to.
Yeah, you can. And we'll have you have your phone calls when we get to the station, okay?
I can do whatever I want to.
No, that's not how that works. Okay.
Why she still got a purse?
Her phone's in there, but she's not. Is she still on the phone with her?
Yes, she needs to be done.
Okay.
No, she's in custody. You are in custody.
Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Listen, you got Sarge right there. He on your ass. Like, yo, the other cop, he probably a brother or something like that. Listen, you better tighten up, man, because Sarge is right there. He, like, look, she shouldn't have her bag. She shouldn't have none of that. Like, you feel me? You got her on the phone, and you don't know what she called. She could be calling them boys to pull up on you. You know what I'm saying? You don't know. Yo, he better tighten up, because when they get back to the office, oh yeah, the rest of the boys is about to hear about this. Look at this dumbass motherfucker. That's why us brothers or whatever that do end up getting in law enforcement. Listen, you got to be on your P's and Q's, man, and do everything how that thing's supposed to be done. You know what I mean? Because you will be the talk of the department.
Do you think I care? Do you think I care about what anything you have to say?
Clearly you don't care.
I care what he has to say. You don't have to say nothing to me, kind sir. You gotta take it.
Your phone's in your back pocket. We have to take it. Can I get your phone? I'm gonna have to grab it.
Give it to my mom. Have her come get it for me. That's the only way I'll give it to you. If you don't have my mom come get it, then you need to stop talking to me.
No, enough.
Can you tell him to stop talking to me?
No, because every time we play this game, you don't listen to my partner either.
First, I will listen to your partner. I'm not listening to you.
No, you're not listening to him. You're making demands.
I'm not listening to you. Because I don't have to listen to you.
You have to listen to both of us.
Comes out your. Never ignore my knee again. Again.
After a rather calm car ride, the officers finally arrive at the station and are finally able to question the girl why they were kicked out of the hospital in the first place.
Okay.
You're gonna have to put this back on me.
Why'd you take this off?
Because I didn't want it on. It was hurting.
Are you serious?
Yes, so I took it off.
Okay. Step outside. No, at this point, we're just gonna walk in.
Okay.
But you shouldn't be doing that. I mean, seriously? Take off her cuff. Alright, stay right here.
Where?
I'm gonna take off the other one. You got it?
Did you get it off? Just like that.
Yeah.
That's how it is.
Let's see.
The rest of the boys is he gonna be the talk of the whole thing, bro.
Yeah, let me give you this too.
So you have two phones?
Yeah.
Oh
So that's how
my
you're
god.
phone. Okay.
He's gonna be the talk of the month, bro. Oh my god, she got two phones. She took off her cuffs and you let her in there without the cuffs. Oh my god. They gonna have a field day with you, boy. Oh man.
Okay. Do you have a shirt underneath the hoodie? Mm-hmm. Okay. That's fine. You can keep the hoodie on for now, because it is kind of cold in here. All right. Do me a favor. Have a seat, please. So, I just want to know the background of why you guys got told to leave the hospital. What caused that whole issue? Because you weren't talking to me at all while there. You were just being...
We were in the room.
Okay.
And he wanted to go through me and my friend's group chat messages, and I don't want him to go through our text messages because we be talking about him. And then they don't want me messing with him no more. So I'm like, I don't want you going through our messages. He got mad, and I'm like, okay, leave. He was like, it's okay, I'm gonna wait for my ride to get here. I'm gonna wait for my ride to get here. Then he was like, put me out, put me out. So I asked the lady, I'm like, can you have him leave? She was like, yeah, I got you. Then we started arguing. And she came to the door, and I stood in front of the door because we were still arguing. And I'm like, no, I'm not talking to him. So we was arguing or whatever. They all came in, security came in. I'm like, can y'all leave so we can have a conversation? And then y'all can do whatever y'all need to do. They're like, can we take your IV out? I'm like, yeah, but let us talk first. And the security, he was right there, and he kept talking to me. I'm like, boy, stop talking to me, stop talking to me, stop talking to me. He kept talking to me, and it was making me mad. I don't like when people talk to me. And first of all, I don't even, you ain't dealt with me at all tonight, so don't say shit to me at all. I don't like that at all. So I was getting mad, and I was getting frustrated with him, like, get the f out of my face, get out of my face, and he wouldn't get out of my face. So they was like, we need to take your IV out, and then you guys could both leave. I'm like, I'll take the myself. So I took it out, and then we sat in a room for a little bit. Then we walked out. We sat in the front little lobby area where I think that's where you came. You were sitting there.
Very front entrance, yes.
Yeah, and then we stepped out. Went out there. Y'all was like, let him go. When he told me to stop touching him, but he didn't even mean it like that. He was just like, stop touching me, because he was irritated with me because I told him to get out the room. Then y'all got called and trespassing and all this extra. So he was irritated with that, and he didn't want me touching him because he was irritated because we're trespassing, and y'all included him in it. And he's like, I don't have nothing to do with this, even though he do, but it's okay. So yeah, that's what happened.
Okay, so that's the whole story. Right?
Yeah.
So you understand how this all could have been avoided?
Yeah.
All we needed was your information, his information.
I don't understand what y'all needed our information for.
To trespass you. In order to trespass you, we have to have your name and information so you can be properly trespassed from the property. Because how else can we identify who you are?
That's true.
Okay? So we need to be able to do that. So that was the first.
You guys should have said that when you guys first came. All you said was you guys are being trespassed, da 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 da.
We're trying to get to that point, and you guys are arguing and leaving right away.
You guys should have said that. Hey, if y'all want me to do something, y'all need to explain to me step by step what is going on, because I'm not going to just listen to y'all.
Okay, so if you're not going to listen to us, then how can we say what we got to say?
Because I'm sitting there. You say you guys are trespassing, da 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 da. Y'all should have said, we need to get y'all information. We need to get y'all information. You guys are trespassing. Then I would have gave y'all my information. Then this would have happened completely different. If y'all would have just came to me front forward, like, oh, we need your information because you guys are trespassing. Everything would have been cool. Literally, that's all y'all had to say. Y'all want to sit there and talk and do all this yapping and shit. I don't have time for that. Don't say shit to me. If y'all not telling me what y'all here for, don't talk to me.
So you see how that's contradicting, right?
I don't care. I really don't.
So she needs to make sure that, again, that you don't have any weapons on you. She's going to have to take you to the female cell over there. Where? In the back one.
This one?
Yeah.
After a long night of absolute brainless yapping, the girl was put in a cell and charged with trespass, domestic violence, and resisting arrest.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.